Welcome to Competitive Exams Corner. Examination point of view, one of the most important segment ఏ పదవిలో ఏ వ్యక్తి ప్రజెంట్ ఉన్నారు అనేది చాలా చాలా ముఖ్యమైన సెగ్మెంట్ అది. సో అందులో ఒక 1 మార్క్ ఈజీగా వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ మనకు ఉంది. సో అందులో దానికి సంబంధించిన ఒక 50 ముఖ్యమైన బిట్స్ అన్నది నేను మీకు ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో అందివ్వడం జరుగుతోంది. అందులో భాగంగా ఫస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్, రాజ్యసభ చైర్మన్ శ్రీ జగదీప్ ధంకర్. సెకండ్ బిట్, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. Third, Chairman of Niti Ayog Narendra Modi. Leader of Opposition in Rajya Sabha Mallikarjun Kharge. Leader of House in Lok Sabha Narendra Modi. Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi. Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar. Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar and Sukhbir Sandhu. Director General ITBP Anish Dayal Singh. Central Vigilance Commissioner Praveen Kumar Srivastava. Foreign Secretary Vinay Mohan Quatra. Comptroller and Auditor General of India GC Murmu. Director Vikram Sarabhai Space Center Dr. S. Unnikrishnan Nair. Chairman Telecom Regulatory Authority of India Dr. P.D. Waghela. 15th, CBI Director Praveen Sood. Chairman National Commission for Scheduled Tribes Antar Singh Arya. Chairperson National Commission for Minorities Sardar Iqbal Singh Lalpura. Chairman Union Public Service Commission Dr. Manoj Soni. Director General National Investigation Agency Sadanand Vasant. Chairman Space Commission and ISRO S. Somanath. Chairman Atomic Energy Commission and Sectional Department of Atomic Energy A.K. Mohanty. Chairman SSC Staff Selection Commission S. Kishore. Chairman National Human Rights Commission Justice Arun Mishra. Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India Mrityunjay Kumar Narayan. Chairman Central Board of Direct Taxes Nitin Gupta. Chairman Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India IRDAI Debashish Panda. Chairman Securities Exchange Board of India Madhabi Puri Bech. Chairperson State Bank of India Dinesh Kumar Khara. India's permanent representative in UNO Ruchira Kamboj. Home Secretary Ministry of Home Affairs of India Ajay Kumar Bhalla. Chairperson of National Commission for Women Rekha Sharma. Chairman 15th Finance Commission N.K. Singh. Chairman Competition Commission of India Ravneet Kaur. Chairperson Central Board of Film Certification Prasoon Joshi. President Asocham Sanjay Nair. President NASCOM Debjani Ghosh. Chief of Defense Staff Anil Chauhan. Chief of Air Staff V.R. Chowdhury. Chief of Naval Staff Dinesh Kumar Tripathi. Chief of Army Staff Upendra Dwivedi. Chief Ra Ravi Sinha. Director Bhabha Atomic Research Center A.K. Mohanty. Chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Caste Kishore Makwana. President FICCI Shubhrakant Panda. Chairman of 22nd Law Commission Rituraj Avasthi. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. CEO Prasar Bharati, Gaurav Dwivedi, Chairman of National Testing Agency, Pradeep Kumar Joshi, Finance Secretary, TV Somanathan, and the last one, Chairman Indian Banks Association, AK Goyal. Thank you. Jai Hind.